All right, so basically what we get inside the box here is you get different switches. You can do Sasquatch lights, bumper light bar, air compressor, winch power, comes with some fuses there, zip ties, it's got a screwdriver in it, and some ends to hook them up, and also this is a fuse. Then you got this big box here. Let me put that to the side real quick. Obviously you got all your instructions and all that stuff in here, and then you have your switch panel right here. Pretty cool. I like it. It's solid, it's metal, heavy duty. Lights are pretty cool. You got zombie lights. I'll probably try this one for the light show. The zombie lights would be kind of cool. Feels pretty good. Windshield lights, light bar, off-road lights, rear lights, rock panel, rock lights, and then the zombie lights. Let's put that to the side. We got instructions, and the box is empty. Now this big old thing right here is supposed to be mounted under the hood. You got all your wiring, and this is heavy. This is heavy duty right here. Hook everything up. It's got a nice big old relay on it, reset relay. It's 80 amps, so that should be plenty for what we're running in here. I don't think I'll be running 80 amps. I guess that's for like a winch and stuff like that. But either way, once I figure out how to get this installed under the hood, I'll come back and I'll let you all know.